Good morning. I am Professor Dr. Vinod Kumar, and that's my next video. I've made it on most important sales and marketing strategies in 2020. This video will help you in selling your products and services more efficiently and effectively, and it would definitely enhance sales revenue for your organization. In order to keep my video short, I've kept it to only 5 recent sales and marketing strategies. However, there could be more strategies as well. Now, the first strategy that you need to adopt is to provide superior customer value. You can do it through guaranteed buyback provision. Because we are living in the world of innovation and shorter product life cycle. These days, customers want to upgrade or exchange their products after certain duration. Therefore, this guaranteed buyback would provide psychological ease to them and motivates them to buy from you only. So it is very important that you provide them buyback guarantee. Like what happens in automobile industry, jewelry industry, you will see there is usually a buyback provision that reduces his risk of buying. So it is very important that you provide guaranteed buyback solutions. Second is to be totally transparent in your overall customer value proposition. That means you should always provide a detailed invoice that covers all the information for the customer. So it becomes a genuine deal for your target market at the end of the day, and you deliver a transparent specification with breakup of all the items through official document. That means your organized action will speak louder than your competitor. Third is to offer your customer an assured maintenance package. Remember, customers do not buy products. They buy solutions for a particular time period always. That may vary from 1 year to 10 years. So it is very important that you provide an assured maintenance package. Therefore, you need to sell the time period based upon customer budget while offering solutions, not the products. In case of any complaint, in case if it arises, you are there with your customer and you try to reduce his risk of buying products for that certain time period. Providing assurance is very, very important these days, guys. Fourth is to always carry a certified tag or physical evidence from the concerned regulator or authority or agency when you sell your products or services. These evidences help you in converting prospects into customers easily, as these certificates itself speaks for you and describes your position better as compared to your competitor. Like you must have observed BIS certified hallmark jewelry, best stored-in product of the year. Last but not the least, you should always cross-sell to improve the share of your customer wallet. Therefore, make a package offer that will not only reduce the cost of the customer, but at the same time would improve your revenue as well. Therefore, integrate all the support activities together like finance, insurance, logistics, installation, maintenance, membership, other related products. Make it a one-stop solution for everything that a customer requires. Like what happens in educational institutions, hospitals, event management industry, automobile industry, real estate, tours and travels, banking. They always cross-sell. So these were 5 most important strategies. However, there are other strategies as well that you should follow, like no question refunds, following schedules and deadlines, handling objections of the customer with smile, exceeding the expectations and measuring customer satisfaction using artificial intelligence. With this, I would like to end this topic, that is sales and marketing strategies in 2020. Thank you very, very much.